Hi there. In this PitchDoc review, I'm going to show you a simple tool and method that helps you turn any affiliate sales page into a self-selling commission machine. Without a website, without a list, and without spending another dime. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal from testedapps.com, a six-figure affiliate marketer with over 6 years of experience in SEO and digital marketing. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss another no-fluff affiliate review. Oh, and before we dive in, I've put together exclusive bonuses if you decide to grab PitchDoc through my link below. These bonuses are designed to help you get results even faster, so don't miss out. Check the description. What is PitchDoc? PitchDoc is a low-tech, zero-cost affiliate system that turns any existing product sales page into your own sales tool, without needing to create funnels, buy software, or even have a list. It's based on a method created 15 years ago by a complete beginner, and it's still working today. With just 30 to 60 minutes of simple action, you can turn any product page into a PitchDoc that does the selling for you. No website, no autoresponder, no tech headaches. You just pick a product, convert the sales page using the PitchDoc method, share it using free traffic sources shown inside. That's it, and boom, you're ready to earn commissions. Standout features. Here's what stood out to me the most about PitchDoc. No tools or experience needed. Perfect if you're just starting out. No landing pages or email lists required. You don't even need a website. Free traffic strategies included. No paid ads needed. Works with Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, Digistore24, and more. Real case studies included. Like $1,075 in 3 days using this exact method. And yes, it really is that simple. It strips away everything that usually overwhelms new affiliates. How PitchDoc works. Here's how PitchDoc works in just 3 steps. Step 1. Pick an affiliate product in any niche. Step 2. Turn its existing sales page into your custom PitchDoc using the step-by-step training. Step 3. Share it using their proven free methods. The best part? No complicated tech, no funnel building, and nothing to install. You just follow along with their 2-hour training, and you're good to go. Demo prompt. Alright, let's play a quick demo video so you can see PitchDoc in action.
What if you could turn any sales page into your own commission tool in less than an hour without building a single thing? No landing page, no autoresponder, no funnel, and no cost. Let's be honest. Affiliate marketing should be the easiest way to make money online. You don't create the product, you don't handle support, you don't process payments. You just get paid when someone clicks your link and buys. Simple, right? But here's what actually happens. You're told to build your list. Then you need a landing page, then an autoresponder, then a funnel, then a bonus stack, then software to glue it all together. And before you've made a single dollar, you've wasted $300 on tools, 40 hours on tutorials, and all your motivation. Still no commission. Still no traction. Just overwhelm and regret. It's exhausting. It's confusing. And worst of all, it makes you feel like you're the problem. Like maybe you're just not cut out for this. But you are. You've just been handed the wrong map. So what actually works? What gets you paid without the chaos? The answer is leverage. Not effort. Not experience. Not expensive tools. Just a smarter way to do affiliate marketing, using what's already working. PitchDoc is that smarter way. Instead of building pages or writing emails, you take a product's existing sales page, the one already tested, already converting, already making money, and turn it into your own commission tool with just a few simple tweaks. No tech, no writing, no building, just copy, connect, and click. And because you're not trying to sell anything, you're not pushing, you're guiding, you're giving people what they already want, with your affiliate link baked in. The result? They buy. You earn. The sales page does the heavy lifting, while you collect the commission. It's fast, it's repeatable, and it's probably the simplest way to start making real money online, starting today. We've used this exact method to generate over $227 in 40 minutes from scratch, and over $1,000 in just 3 days. So if you want to skip the hard stuff and go straight to commission, click the button below, or scroll down to see exactly how PitchDoc works, because this might be the first affiliate system that actually works for you.
Upgrades/OTOs. Now let's quickly cover the upgrades so you know what to expect after grabbing the main system for just $17. OTO 1, PitchDoc GPT $67. This is an AI upgrade that helps you build your pitch docs faster using ChatGPT tech. There's also a 6-month option for $37. OTO 2, Ready-Made Pitch Docs, $67. Done-for-you pitch docs you can plug into immediately. Or grab the 6-month pack for $47. OTO 3, BLXU, $397. This one's for serious marketers who want advanced training and long-term affiliate success. None of the upgrades are required, but if you want to save time or scale faster, they're great add-ons. What I like about PitchDoc. Here's what I really like about PitchDoc. It's insanely beginner-friendly. Anyone can do this. You can get results fast. Some users made over $900 in just a few days. You don't need to spend money on software or traffic. You can use it in any niche, evergreen, and launch products alike. It finally brings affiliate marketing back to what it was meant to be: simple and doable. What could be improved? Now, it's not a magic money machine. You'll still need to put in a little effort, about 30 to 60 minutes per pitch doc. And if you're looking to build complex funnels or multi-step campaigns, this probably isn't the tool for that. It's meant to keep things lean and laser-focused on commissions. If you're someone who's been stuck, spinning your wheels, or just plain overwhelmed, PitchDoc might be the clean slate you need. And if you grab it through my link below, I'm including some exclusive bonuses like a preloaded affiliate niche checklist, a bonus traffic method to turbocharge your PitchDoc reach, my personal swipe file to help boost your conversions. These bonuses are only available for a limited time and won't be found elsewhere, so don't miss them. So if you're ready to make affiliate marketing simple again, click the link below and grab PitchDoc now for just $17. No list, no website, no spending more money. Just a dead simple system that works, even if nothing else has. Thanks for watching my PitchDoc review. Let me know in the comments. What do you think of this method? Are you going to try it? Smash that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more no-fluff affiliate reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.